Hi, I'm Karen. We're here at Montavilla Sewing Center, and today we're talking about the Baby Lock Allegro. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the machine. Over here we have where you plug in your foot control and your power cord, and above that is your on-off switch. This is your bobbin winder spindle and the diagram for showing how you wind your bobbin. I'll show you that more in another video. This is the thread guide for winding the bobbin. Here we have the spindle, and you can have it upright or down depending on how you want your thread to flow. More thread guides right here. This is your take-up lever. Then we come over here. This is the presser foot pressure dial. Over here we have a thread cutter, which is really wonderful for cutting your threads when you're all done. Then we have the bobbin area. We have a top loading bobbin. Push this little lever here and the cover comes off and you can put your bobbin right in there. Again, we're going to have a threading video on how to do that. And this is a thread cutter. This is your accessory tray. Now to open it, instead of pulling over here, pull right here. It's easy because there's a latch over here on the side, same thing in the back. Push it on the left-hand side. Lots of storage for all your accessories. Here you would have your most commonly used accessories and maybe your less commonly used ones in the back. Pull this off like this, and now you can hem your jeans. This is called the free arm. In the back, there is a lever to drop your feed dogs, like that. You just push it to the right. And this is great for your free motion quilting, which is why you have all this room. You can do free motion quilting. To get the feed dogs back up, just push the lever to the other side to the left and take a single stitch and they come right back up. And notice I use this here instead of my hand wheel. This is a great button to have. Now to put the foot back on, just line those up, put that down like this. Over here we have the stop start button is red right now because the presser foot is up. We're not ready to sew. In order to put it down, push this down and you hear that little beep. And it's green, it's ready to sew. I gave a little bit of backward pressure to my presser foot lifter lever. Here we have your reverse stitch button, so you can do a back stitch if you need to. This is a locking stitch, so it locks the stitch in place. This is your needle up, needle down. Push that button, the needle goes all the way down, which is great for pivoting if you need to pivot your fabric. Pull it back up like that. This is your thread cutter button, and what this does is when you're done sewing, you can push this button and it will cut the threads and pull the thread tails to the back of the fabric. This is your speed control slider, which is really nice to have when you're free motion quilting or doing something really intricate like applique or something like that. But if you want to go really fast, there you could put it as fast as you want, or if you're teaching a child to sew or somebody who's not very familiar with sewing, you can have it really slow. That will keep them from going too fast. I like to keep it in the middle for most of the sewing. Up here we have the thread tension dial, and right here it's on 4. That seems to be about the right tension for thread that's the same top and bottom. But you can make it tighter or looser if you want to. Over here we have the control panel, and I'm going to get into this later on in another video, but you use this by just simply touching different parts of the screen. Down here we have the port where you put in your knee lifter, and that's a cool feature to have because when you push this, your presser foot goes up and down. So that is the overview. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give us a thumbs up. If you have comments or questions, you can leave those in the area down below. We have lots of other videos on this machine and on other machines here on our Montavilla YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.